One morning when I was washing my hands, I realized how ugly the soap holder was. So I started to make one by myself. I began with some leftover pieces of wood from the basement. I drew some outlines and began sawing, so I could carve out the form with a screwdriver. Then the fun part began, the sanding. So satisfying how smooth it looks now. Then it was time for more sawing. I pulled apart the pieces and after more sanding, I glued them together. Finally, I added some paint for protection against humidity and began replacing the soap holder. Looks much better now and the soap can finally dry by itself.